Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noel, in case you're new here, and today's video I'm just going to show you how the house looks like. It's so messy guys. Reason being is we're gonna shift, and that's why the house is looking the way it looks like, because I'm trying to pack some stuff because we are moving anytime soon. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share to your family and friends. Also turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I just came from work and this is how I'm looking like. Don't mind guys, I was putting on a sweater top and it was so hot, it was so sunny.
Inaanza kuwa brown. Weka kichwa.
What's up, guys? These are my crazy colleagues here. They don't wanna go home.
We're going home now.
No going home.
They're
Not
crashing
going
on.
home. It's 10 months. We must spend that salary.
They're crashing on my phone.
Lakini hiyo kamera ni kali.
Like what?
The big boys.
By the time I was entering this house, I was sweating guys, so I decided to be like this so that I can be less warm. So yeah, without further ado, let's tag. Of course, we are starting from the sitting room guys. If you laugh, we're gonna have a problem with you. Anyways, but you are allowed to laugh because I just tumetoanisha vitu all over just because I want to pack them. So guys, this is the situation, this is the current situation, and don't worry, I didn't do a house tour while the house was looking good. So let me just show you how things are falling, or the current situation right now. So as you can see, this is my sitting room. Oh my god. And this is the door. You can see messy shoes everywhere. And then this is the bucket. I just want to put some stuff inside there because I don't have enough storage, or what do you call it? Sina vitu za kupakia ndani, so I'm going to use this one to pack. And then also guys, you can see there's some shoes here. Oh my god. You can see. So, and you see this kitchen table here, I brought it here, and you can see even some mafuta, the cooking oil there, and then the gas cylinder there, and then you can see these cartons here. We have a decoration here, it's written family, and then you can see, oh my god, whose seat is this? Then you can see the curtains. Yani, I don't know. So, I don't know. Guys, I need your help. My god. Look. So guys, I need to pack all of these. I need to pack the carpet. You can see some clothes here. The laptop. You see the mirror there. I need to pack all of these. Hizi zote zimetoanishwa. We need to remove the TV from the wall. It's supposed to be unmounted. And my Mia ring light, you can see. Hey guys, if you think I'm lying to you, you can see my ring light. Until I use the bread package to just like fasten or to tie, but it's still not working. You can see the current situation. Oh my god, help me, I get money so that I acquire a big ring light. And you can see there is that. There are blankets, there are cushions, there is this small table here. Oh my. My vase there, and then you can see my dispenser in a mess, my poof, my name them. Oh my. This is serious. So let's go to the kitchen. You will run away. So now the situation in the kitchen is like this. Everything is unorganized. Oh my god. Am I going to make it? Wow. Whose living room is this? Oh my god. But don't worry guys, I know after this everything will be fine. We are going to arrange the house. Guys, you see what I'm saying? You see, some clothes already I've packed. See, these are the clothes. Oh my, we have another TV here. Misplaced priorities. What guys? Where am I going to pack these ones? Easiest way of shifting. Cause me now packing all of these, it's a problem. Oh God. Everything is in a mess. See, I need to pack everything. See, there is another speaker there. This society is really trying me. Hey, pray for me, guys. Thank you very much for staying put and watching the entire video. I know it's not a long video and it's just a genesis of packing. Today is not the end of packing, it's the genesis of packing. I just started, so we are going to do this together until the end, until the other house looks amazing. We'll do this together, so I promise you guys I'll do the house tour for you. And so guys, let me wrap it up here right now, and let me see you on the next one. So guys, stay safe and be kind. Au revoir.